So it's Mama's birthday today.
Come to the water, mate. Here. Come here. Bit of a side. Come here. Say Oma.
Ian's here cooking a barbecue for us.
Hello, hello, hello.
Is that enough light?
Happy birthday, Mama.
Yeah, it looks lovely, Opa.
Oh,
Thierry,
no.
are you going to say hi to Oma? Oh my goodness! My goodness, what a boy with a lot to say! Oh, what a lovely dance for Oma! She's gonna love that one!
Oh no! Oh yeah. Oh yes, yes, yes.
Where's Opa? You want to see Opa? Look at Opa.
Oh no! Opa doesn't want to be seen in there.
That's Opa. Where's Cleo?
Oh
no, it's little Cleo. She's having a sleepover today because what's happening tomorrow? You're going fun with Opa. Alright. Oh, that's alright. Mama, just so you know, we're having a birthday dinner in your honour.
Yeah.
Ian's cooked a Barbie. Maurice has rocked up after training.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Yeah, happy birthday, Oma.
Many happy, healthy
birthday.
returns.
Absolutely. Alright.
Look at you, you madman. You've just pulled everything apart.
This is good.
Really?
Fried. Zap.
Better than in my face, I tell you. Hold on, I'll be back.
Hello? Are you getting tired, baby? Guy, you're like a big boy.